you doing? Well, I made it to my mommy's house, as you guys can tell. I don't know where they are, but I'm here and they're taking forever. This girl, we're going to Buc-ee's, not the nightclub. Not the Burks with the long pants.
I don't have any other shoes.
Embarrassing.
Go fund me for me, but doesn't have shoes.
Heck no. Mira, you can't laugh about that. That's something serious.
I don't have shoes. I'm being serious.
I didn't even do my makeup. I literally just like prep my skin. I bought everything in this little bag. Mimina's here doing her makeup, so it's fine. Hey guys, so we are on our way to apparently Costco because my crazy mother is decorating for Christmas and fall and all that stuff, and she's looking for stuff at Costco. ¿Qué estás buscando?
El esqueletón y los mats, los ghost mats. Pero encontré de Christmas.
Girl, estoy es agosto 16, ustedes hagan la cuenta. But she's already looking for Christmas and Halloween and all that stuff. I thought we were going to Buc-ee's. I didn't know we were Costco hopping. And that's what we're doing.
Ya lo encontré en Costco, ya lo tengo.
Doesn't focus. Oh, there it is.
Sí, es un farol for Christmas. I'm ready.
We're at Costco. This is a new Costco. This is
Primero downtown, Houston. Mira ya.
This is like fancy people Costco.
Mira ya los edificios.
Oh yeah. Enséñanos tu outfit. John Cena. I was like, you can't see me. Oh, 6 of us. How cutesy. Nos miramos aesthetic.
¿Con mi pelo?
Yes. Because she got the shark and she thinks she's so cool.
Daiso tontadilla.
Quédense
conmigo porque no me van a dejar afuera,
We're all sneaking in Costco.
Why you say that?
Well, we're not sneaking in because we're with my mom, but I feel like I was at Disney World scanning my pass to go in.
Ay, cállate, mentirosa. Vamos a hacer cosas de Halloween y de Navidad. ¡Qué emoción!
Oh no.
It's part of a secret society.
Really, I feel like this would break in a tornado.
It's plastic.
There she is. Wait. You her bodyguard or what? I can blow you away. Let me set you guys up. Para que agarren este POV. Oh, I left my camera. Follow me.
Vamos, camina. Voy a quitar los sillones.
Me está siguiendo la
Y el
cámara.
comedor y todo, pero quiero esto.
What did you guys think of my POV? Do we look alike? Everybody put their faces next to each other. Do we look the same? Do we look the same?
I don't know how to
Thumbnail. At Costco? Just have a dance party. I'm gonna put some background music. Who does Moy look like? Oh no. You look like the Oogie Boogie.
Oh, that was cute.
Oh, that is so cute, Mama.
I already have it.
This is literally our food.
781.
We got pizza, we got coffee. Papá, esa es tu boca. A ver, papá, muerde tu hot dog, a ver a qué sabe. Danos un review. Split it up. Cookie crumble, who?
Mima. I want one. Oh my
Double
God.
chocolate chip.
Noviembre uno ya.
Minute Maid, where the Astros play basketball.
What?
That's where they play basketball.
Yeah, no, baseball.
Los Astros es béisbol.
No, son basketball.
So you see,
I'm just kidding. I'm pranking y'all.
I see.
I was literally here last Sunday.
Prendo un frijol.
La primerita. La primerita. Anyways, we're at Buc-ee's. I've always wanted one of these. The Halloween shirt. Should I get it or what? Por eso no grabo en público. Everybody's staring at me like si tuviera una pistola or something. Like,
No, es como si... Ay, ¿quién será? ¿Será famoso o no será famoso?
pues sí.
¿Le
Anyways,
pidió una foto o no le pidió una foto?
vamos a ver qué encontramos. You don't need it. I don't know if I got it, but that guy was... Oh. He said, do you guys want a picture together?
Oh.
Screenshot it. Make us your last screen.
Ricky.
My dad just follows along to my mom. Whatever my mom says, my dad does. Which I'm here for. But we should just walk away. Should I get this big Buc-ee? Let me know. Should I get it? Should I get it or what? Sister, this looks like you.
My dad left my blanket in Mexico. I think I should get another one.
No. No. Beaver nuggets. Look at the squishy. It's a squishy, but it's like a Buc-ee's cup. We're not a fan of the foods. Oh, this one like clips to whatever. That is so cute. It's like a bracelet, but you can like... No Labubu's here. We have Buc-ee's around here. That's cute, sister, actually. Look at the little Buc-ee's family.
At least I have money today.
Oh, this girl. This was kind of cute, too. My mom wants to be TikTok famous. Solo me está diciendo que la grabe. Let's... we have this one. I bought this one last time we were here. Literally last Sunday. That's so cute. I kind of like this one, too. Should I get it? Leaves are falling.
¿Por qué no me enseñas esta?
That one's cute because I didn't see it.
Mira, mira.
That one I did see, but I didn't like it for you. And I still don't.
Oh, mira.
We already have that one.
Sunflowers?
Mama, I literally showed you this last time.
Yeah, but I got 3 already.
You already have that. I got her this one too. And I literally got you that one too.
Oh my God. Love it.
Mama, I literally got you all of this already. That one's cute. This one's really cute too. I saw this last time. Really, really cute. No más una. Oh, ¿cuánto vale esto? $55. A ver, tómale. Gloop, 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 gloop. So many cute strawberry things they have. Measuring spoons. These little plates for a little hot Cheeto salad. Get some salt and vinegar chips. What about you? Well, who's gonna try? Give me a bite of that. A thumbnail. We're so bad. We're so bad. He thinks he's so big and bad. Oh my God! Somebody come get these. They're messing with my mom. ¿Puedes con mi mamá?
Anyways,
No, we don't want to know. Anyways, no fuimos a Taco Palenque, pero vamos a ir a los tacos chilangos que están por la pulga. That's what we're gonna have for dinner. And then we're gonna go home. Llegamos a los tacos del DF. I'm gonna vlog on my phone because my camera died. And it's very awkward. Look at my tacos. We just made it home. There's a like car meet, the Project Torch. I don't know. This whole thing I've been seeing on Instagram. We're like, let's go, let's go. Nos gusta el desmadre, en serio. Pero we're all gonna go. We're gonna stop for some gas first. But we're all gonna go. We're gonna pick up Fernie first. Look at my dad. Apa, ¿dónde vas? He made a lonchera and everything. Who's gonna get some balls? Who's gonna get some balls? Look at mine, show us mine.
Yo!
Trying to fit in the little ass Mustang.
We gotta drive safe too, right? Come on.
Come on.